Zulu come. Yeah. My virgin birthday, since it soon come on, so we're going to go and rock, dance the nickel.
Virgin, tell me, when you know it's not, you said you'd do anything for me. But why would you do?
I will do anything just for you. Make you feel happy when I'm never looking. I will do anything just for you. Sacrifice my love back to you. This is war. This is war. Beating on my boom boom. Everything man up. This is the girl I just feel like that. Don't go away with all your might. Some long, but I'm this time to the sun time from my heart. Some of them not having nothing to give in your hand. Some long, but I'm this time to say some one with the hand. Some of them not have no nothing to give on that. When you're not
No. I did big one, no.
All right, the whole on the trip back for that drink 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, say. 7 o'clock. Somebody else my boss.
Yeah.
Give this up. One, check.
No. You check me back 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, say.
Yeah. Well, I see, check me back 9 for your money.
No, you have to give me American money.
No, me not have none.
Surprise!
Everything
Yeah,
happen.
right.
You ain't
So
there.
we're girly.
What you want me?
Hey, so what the juice? The warm, no party time. What the juice?
Pearl?
Juice and food.
You think me an idiot?
What?
I one half the dragon and Guinness me back.
Me right.
You think me want them come drink me out?
Girlie down the road, you come up in now. You can't come.
Tired body girl, you come on.
Come in that leave.
All feet. What happened?
Walk to the party with me, we're going down there.
Not that thing. Then hold on. How you come up?
Darling, we're at a party.
You said girl, the people that come and drink off every strike.
Me
them shit.
right.
Where the food and the drink done already?
So girlie, hold on there. You know just a baby, how you reach out here already?
I should have there from last week.
So wait, who look after the baby?
The baby girl look after himself. Wait, man. Wait there.
You
Come
don't
back with the money there.
You don't come with no bag.
Yeah, mama, they leave her back.
Where?
May I come?
Where?
Now, come back with the money, man.
But she no easy. She
No girl, it's not like she come here with her hungry belly too. I'm
They
no
no
come here
party.
for me.
Right, and they left it below. So we're not going down here now.
Not
Not
a
a thing,
thing.
not
Me
a
what?
thing.
Hey!
You know, see goat there open. What the fear?
What have you whooping for my rooster? No whooping! No whooping! You just want a coat of yellow paint for that big bird. You whooping, what have you whooping trash out for the party?
Trash already.
I should have bring some corn with me.
Yes, me love. See him so.
Hi, hello, darling. So the blouse there to match the dress right over here.
Hello! Whitening! Come over here and let me sell you something. Everything. Wait. Now you with this at the airport. May I have to go charge you double. Them a sneakers are yours, right up your street. Them a reach Jamaica yet. You that.
Lady in red, come and buy from me instead. Wait, it's your darling. See ya, you did. What you think? Give me the money. Yes, me look. Wait, Rob, me not no bagging on my darling.
So hold on there. Girlie, I went since you start rhyme.
You have to move with the time or else you will get left behind.
So hold on. You thief me lyrics.
You crazy? Or your brain must be hazy. Hey, only thing, when I want them few weeks, yeah, love, look, yeah. Yeah.
What that? What
Tell me
that?
love, lyrics like dirt. Listen to that one, yeah. My shoes are the best, you can put them to the test. Come on over and give your feet a rest.
So while you did that cost me a thief me style, eh?
Yeah. Honestly, I don't think me alone. I might just cut my truth.
Nah, you don't cut the truth, I'm not girl.
How you mean?
See her there, officer, see her there. She can't hide now.
Divine, me not tell you if you rest the argument and done with everything, man.
Yes, because it's not your face patchy. Look how she spoiled up my good looks.
You never look good for a man until you don't lose a teeth.
You hear how she faced it? Well, you won't get away with it this time. You're going to prison where you belong. Officer, arrest her.
I get a complaint that you throw acid in this woman's face, causing grievous bodily harm.
Well, officer, it's not so good, you know. I didn't threaten her intentionally. We were all on the sidewalk with a bottle, and worse, Lord, can I put this a card from my back, officer? See if you can push out this up. Something I bite me, man. See, yes, take time, man. You're rough, sir, officer. Hey, thank you. So as I was saying to your officer. Who was passing, and just when she was to smell open bugs, the buckle and splash and burn, and an accident that, sir.
Live. Listen. She was fighting me, and when she couldn't beat me, she threw the acid on me. I have these two as evidence. Oh, nobody come mix me up. Officer, it's just like my girl said. We come the morning, your sister, and we find the back up on the sidewalk. And we was wondering is what? Because between me and you, officer, all nigga we said things we stop with from cell.
True, officer.
Lie.
Hush up! Make she finish.
As I was saying, you see, officer, while we was there smelling to see if I could have recognized this what? Just when she was about to smell, open pass and bounce girl on. And the acid splash up and burn her. No accident that, sir. Is lie. She changed her mouth. She don't like me from morning.
Me, the blind. Me don't like you from morning. Then I spoon feed you with chicken back soup when you're nearly dead. Oh, you mean I don't like you? That's not nice.
It's true, say she saved your life.
Yes.
Well, then how you say she never liked you?
That is it. Listen, officer, is the four of us was there. Okay, listen. He will back up my argument.
Officer? She my wife. Oh, she nearly lose all her eye. So if anything, me supposed to back her. But, officer, I cannot. She no like this lady from morning. And she vexed because she get burned up with acid. So she wants somebody to take out revenge, ma'am. Officer, me no like that lady and I there no. And as much as me would want to tell her life if she go prison, I can't do it.
Tony, you know he's a real probate. Officer, you can't see his lie they're telling.
You know, it look like you don't have no case.
What? No case?
No case.
You know what? It seemed like you is one of them officer who like dirty girl. I said go over there and arrest the woman.
You know, I might arrest you for public mischief. You think say me have time for waste? Go house and go keep your king quiet before me take up my band and block your foot. No!
Easy, officer. Cool it, officer. Officer, she was really a nice girl, you know. A little on the maga side. But men used to love her. Especially older men. Anyway, officer, want me to drink something or what?
Well, you know, me not really drink pan juice.
No, man, you can't cool it off, officer. Light up yourself. Hey, you're not there for the officer.
Hey, no, go off and give me I believe you.
Give it.
Give me that, man. Give me that.
Drink it, give it. Officer, give me a dance. No, me say you're bad day, you know, officer. Give me a dance.
The girl just cool and right. Don't roll away without your mic. But a distance to the center.
Boy, officer! Boy, officer! Boy, officer! What are they? Officer one, back there, come out with that too.
Officer, it look like you get a lift. Back, go back, move.
Officer, you want something to buy or what, officer? You like something to purchase?
You have any belt? No, me
Not for your waist, officer, not for all of that.
Check Gangali.
Gangali. All right, come and belly walk, go to the officer.
You check, man.
Come.
I can't afford your goods, you
No,
know.
man, over things cheap. Come, man, come. Come, officer. No, whoa, officer. All right, go on, officer. Go on, officer.
How'd you beat him in it? Hey! Calm down, Audrey. Go beat him. Hey,
I did him dead enough.
Pearl, you rescue the officer there.
Come with me now.
Yes, you can go on to Centerfold. That girl is going to be...
Tony, you know you're an ungrateful wretch.
Yeah.
After all I do for you,
Yeah.
I buy you clothes, everything.
Everything you do for me, you take it, tell me. Me tired, man.
Well, I'm tired of you too. You know what? Go home, go take your clothes out of the house, or else I'm going home to throw them on the sidewalk.
Me move already. This morning.
Well, good riddance to you, and I hope you don't take any of my things.
No, sir. Me take on my things then. Don't go take me left arm a rag. So if you don't want it, you can bone me.
Well, your backside went gun you because I stopped mine you. You're going to starve.
Yeah.
On second thought, give me the $1,000 I loaned you, or else I'm going down to the police station and tell them you stole my money. So how much is this?
Check it!
But Tony, this is $2,000.
Yes. The extra 1,000 is interest. 100% interest.
Then it's so much you make that he can pay me so much interest? It's so higgler pay?
No, not really so much. But I always hear you say it no good fit or nigga. So me I settle off my account with the mayor down. We are finito.
So how much for this?
You want if you buy? Give me 2,000 and go on. I pay 1,000 feet I sell if you two come.
Then Tony, it is so much interest you can make on one thing.
Uh-huh. Yes, mistress account. Yeah.
Tony, you know what? Why the two of us don't go into business together?
You remember one time I said to you, say, Divine, come on, Tony Igla with me. What you said to me? I don't like a thief. Now go work out.
Of course it can work, man. I work at the bank and I can get the dollars and you do the buying and selling. And the business just flow.
No. Too much bad water in this marriage, man.
Tony, you know it's some mistake, you know. One thing about me, I have to talk what is on my mind. Don't you know it's some mistake from before we married?
But he gone bad no one. I'm at the bank.
Let me not explain that to you already.
Yes. And while you look tighty, me look like check.
But I didn't know you take it so hard. Listen, we can't throw away 7 years of marriage, you know. Listen, it's because I was so angry. I thought the reason you come back down here was because of Girlie. She don't like me, you know. And
You thought wrong.
You're sure? You're sure she had nothing to do with the decision to come back down here?
At first, no, but after you start
You
rolling
see,
up,
I was right. Mind you jumping into the fire, you know. I can change. And besides, it wasn't all bad. Why I don't go home and go buy up some of the wood roots? And we can go kick up rumpus like first time.
You know me no use wood root again. Finish.
Me cook your favorite stew peas with pig's tail.
I am now a vegetarian. Circle me back. Circle me about 5 years down the road. Just circle me back. Circle me back. Circle me. Go ahead.
You saved me again.
But it look like you want somebody to look after you.
You want the job?
It look like the job want me. Every turn I have to save you.
This sounds like love talk. So I'm married. You want to marry me as now?
What it sound like to you?
So wait, where the Divine?
She just gone.
So what she want you to come back to her?
Yeah.
So you going back?
Nah.
Why?
If me go back, no one get to see you on Shaka.
What's that? Me get the baby name already. What more you want?
I wanted to get me full name.
But he's not your father.
Nobody don't know that. All people can do is speculate. And we can tell them we did have a thing going from long time.
It sounds like you planned this out.
Sort of.
But you don't know nothing about me.
Me know enough.
Me have a picnic, you know.
Me we adopt everybody.
But you don't love me.
A long time I like you. Long time I like you. Me can't get for love, you know.
If you think about this, yeah.
All right, take a minute.
One minute.
Or less than that now.
What do you want to do? I'm ready. I'm waiting on you. Yeah, there's something wrong
broke you, try broke me.
Who want a big wedding so me not get married?
All right. But first things first. That marry me, yes or no? Eh? You marry me, yes or no? Girlie, where are they? Where the check them out? Marry me, yes or no?
Ian!
How can I idiot answer that? Answer me officially, man.
Well, if you want an official answer, you have to ask me officially. Ask me again.
Girls, will you, girl, if you don't marry me, girlie, spare girlie. What the wrong? Girlie! What me a chat say? Girlie, marry to me now.
Yes. Yes, we married to you. After you get divorced from there.
Yeah.
So, what about you and Pearl?
That done long time.
Yeah, but what about you and I still?
Girlie, I just you I run it now, man.
I what say, you know? I mean, I know why I know, man. Tony, I have something to say to you. I promise myself some would have said it's still not mine, but I have to say it to you. Tony, I kind of get to love you.
Girlie, you cannot get full of it to fall love. Now, girl, you go get married.
What?
Yeah.
Then if I saw me, don't want married too?
If me know you, man, I'm not going to want that.
Oh yes, I'm for married to me enough time I want me dash him out again.
Anyway, never go down the road and tell them girls here.
No, where you go? No, don't leave me. Girlie, no, I don't want it to be out of my eyesight. Teddy. Girl, I'm so glad till she walk off her shoes.
So we,
Girl.
what you look for?
You see me have a back with some wood, yeah?
Back up, so we, hold on. Where you go with that?
Pearl, I'm going to go down the road to kill somebody.
It's Ezekiel 1. Jeremiah 12. And Revelation 1 to 1000.
Ramesses,
Ah!
who for things this? Who for things this?
Is that lady one?
Where the lady then?
She soon come. Stop up the road and see some carry. She soon
So wait,
come.
oh you so nervous? Are you so nervous, Ramesses?
Me.
Yes, you! Hey, girlie! Girlie, come here. The boy Ramesses are using bed power, you know.
Come up to.
Come here, man. Come. The lady who operate this style named Latibody.
So on to that.
Ramesses named Clive Latibody here.
Me.
Yes,
So
you!
wait. And sister.
It looks so. Me say I always wonder how Ramesses have so much load, you know. Then I realize that Ramesses have two style. The one here, and one up top when sister operate.
Remember go
Why
pay the
him
tax
operate the cat?
No. Sure.
Ramesses, allow me to tell you, look, let your sister operate the style for you.
Just cool. Hey, she don't get it now.
Eh?
I'm a cousin run that. And she run one Princess Street now. While me run. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ramesses, you're real big, Junali.
He must come
cool,
millionaire.
You're real,
This is
Junali.
see I get the cat.
Eh.
Never run that.
Hi, later you don't tell me.
Say.
It's a man in this,
Yeah,
it's
I
not
know.
it already.
Yes. Lord of mercy! Wait! It's not too early for Ducky to come out! You guys stop this.
Yes, well man.
What you?
Where run for? After that we make you lose your work.
Oh, what?
Your bank manager not like you again, so he put you in charge of stationery.
It's because he doesn't like the way I look anymore.
Well, and because you are done wife, and you don't look good. Oh my God! Him say me, so you're up on the street, I fight the eagle them with your cuss every day.
Hey, then Divine, you know, should I still stay at the bank and work your way up?
No, the love. The bank manager not like her, so she get demoted, so she left the world.
Already walk left her,
Already.
like our upspan left her.
So you caused me to lose my job and my husband.
You still fortunate, me lose my mother. And moreover, Tony come to me of my own free will.
Yeah. I go and get him man.
Any day you do that, girl, I'll stop eat.
Whoa.
You know, when you remember all the good times, you think twice.
Him tell me about in the sex life, yes? I know he did nice. But as the song says, after loving me, he could never love another. You wasn't start, me in progress. Now back that business, now there you so again. Strictly forward movements we deal with.
How you mean?
Strictly.
No, worry yourself, me love. Me patch you out and take you.
Hello, Daddy, today coming. Daddy.
When it just come?
Yeah, me just tell them about last Lord, man, wait now. Me just tell them about last night.
Rotted. Pearl, this body, she coming like a tigress.
Don't I'm the only girl that you love now.
You know too much.
And you will never leave me for another.
When I live for me, type of life.
Jesus. You hear that, X? You will always be X.
You there? myself more than you.
Yeah, man, me not that, man. Me not that.
Me not the dad. The dad.
How you coming on this?
Hey, Ramesses have 2 stalling and 1 uptown too.
Ramesses?
Yeah, man.
Me.
He make him sister operate them for him.
Ramesses? Yes, Papa, yeah, hey.
Yeah, that's cool, man. Hey, make it at 1,000.
No, man, it's all right.
Give me back my change.
Why Ramesses, you coming like secret agent to take over. Hey, big boss! Why don't you come across? Let me show you how to cut your costs.
I have much to do.
My shoes are the best.
When it come to the case, Ramesses are the best. Boss, come buy a dress for your princess. Come in and do this.
Yeah, you know, like me said to the rest, the dollars now run, see?
Hi there, Super Dog. I have a dress, a shirt to put you right on. So step this way and I'll make your day.
Wicked. Put it, how much for?
1,000 on board.
Put it down, man.
You don't have any bag? I don't have any bag, yeah, darling.
Alright, cool. See? Yeah, you hear me? We'll come check you again, see?
Never fear, I'll be waiting right here.
You divine Ahigla!
This one dedicated to all ICI who make it already. Me say all who want try. Watch it up, lost in the market, in the market basket. Buy something, no matter no comparison.